Welcome to Trumaxx, where progress is our passion. We specialize in the precision manufacturing of fans and motors, driving innovation and efficiency across HVAC&R industries and others. What is the true meaning behind Trumaxx? T. Truly noiseless fans for every application. R. Reliable motor and drive technology. U. Ultra-long life and durable fans. M. Maximum efficiency for your machine. A. Accurate airflow. X. Extra protection for every motor. X. Extra innovation at each step. Here is a brief glimpse at our exceptional products. Backward curved fans. Trumaxx backward curved fans are low-noise, efficient centrifugal fans with a specialized design for optimal airflow and energy efficiency. Compact fans. Trumaxx compact fans are engineered specifically to be used in a compact space, providing high performance and advanced airflow. Axial fans. Trumaxx axial fans require minimal maintenance and are cost-effective, all while providing consistent airflow. Shaded pole motors. Trumaxx shaded pole motors are simple yet robust, resulting in steady operation, efficiency, and dependability. Ready to propel your business further? Swing by our website to know more about how our products can meet your needs and take your operations to the next level. Explore how we provide tailored solutions, follow sustainability practices, applications of our fans, and the quality tests conducted. Wait, that's not all. Cater to your unique needs with the help of our innovative selection filter. Select your specifications from the options given and get a datasheet specifically catered to your requirements. One can even download the datasheet to share with your team seamlessly. Don't miss out. More videos are just around the corner. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.